tissues in my mouth and throat no longer hydrate as they should. This has caused increased dryness and creates some strange effects while I'm talking, including one that I call the putt-putt golf noise. All right, so this one is the throat. All right, now what happens here is as I'm recording and talking, there's fluid moving. It moves out of the sinus, it gets into my throat and creates a problem, or everything dries out. Now, it used to be, right after the radiation, it used to be that my entire mouth from front to back was dry as a desert. The moisture level in the front has gotten better. It's more stable. And most of the extreme dryness has moved to back of the soft palate, uvula, velum area, and down into my throat. My throat stays really dry. And so these noises are generated by an extremely dry throat and or mucus. This is the language of mankind. Mankind. So that's just my dry throat there. That's all that is. It's not a signaling problem. It's not a processing problem. It's nothing. It's my throat being so dry that the vocal cords are vibrating the wrong way. And integrity. That explain why people turn away from God are really simple. The two main reasons that explain why people turn away from God are really simple. You can hear that at the very end. That's an extremely dry throat. And as I'm talking, as I come to the end of the word, it's closing. I call it the putt-putt golf effect because it sounds like a golf ball falling into a cup. That you can hear that. It's kind of funny. Really simple. Okay. And that is a tough one to deal with. Again, this is a sound that you can't filter out with anything. It just has to be re-recorded.